Hi, everyone. We haven't done one of these in quite a while. I'm not even sure how long it's been. So let's take attendance. RC. Milo. Both in the cage with the door open, as usual. Kiki is... Yep, he just poked his head. He's right there. And of course, all of them are... because they never leave. Just some catch-up stuff. I have not heard anything about Leon. I'm going to go with the assumption of no news is good news. I did send him my video on Sunday, and so, you know, whether he watches it later or if his wife shows it to him, or I don't know, you know, we really don't know the situation exactly. So keep your thoughts and hopes and prayers and wishes and everything going, because, you know, if no news is good news, then they're working. So let's keep it going and get our rooster back to us, safe and sound. Let's see. Jen had COVID last week, very mild. She hadn't felt good for a few days, and finally she got a COVID test. She thought it was her lupus, and so she just stayed downstairs, except when she was driving everybody around, and kept her mask on. And by, I'm trying to remember, I think Saturday or Sunday, she, no, Sunday, I think. She tested negative, and she's starting to get her taste back. So she says she's very excited to be able to taste coffee again and French fries. So, and she was the only one in the entire household that got sick. So, because she stayed downstairs, but so did the rest of her family, and because there's nowhere else to go. So, yeah. Luna is doing awesome. From what I've been told, she's a lap kitty. Loves to sit on laps. She has no history. I guess she was just found as I don't know if a stray, but Jen thinks that she never learned how to play with toys, because she's had kitty toys and Luna had no idea. So she's having to teach Luna how to play. So it's just kind of sad and kind of cute at the same time. But Luna seems very curious as to what's behind the magic door. We have joked around since they moved in that the basement door is the magic door. Because for us, we can open up the door and you never know if there's going to be an animal sitting there waiting for the door to open. And for the animals, they don't know when the door's going to open and who's going to be standing there, you know, in the open door. So that's the magic door. So Luna has no idea what's up here. She just knows that there's this doorway up there that opens and shuts, and people come in and out. So she's starting to get curious as to what is behind the door. So, but otherwise, everything's fine. We're of course, we had to, the plan was to do a Yum Box last weekend, but of course you can't do a taste testing if you don't have a sense of taste. So we're hoping this weekend. So I have 2 of them sitting there, and it's now February, which means there will be another one arriving relatively soon, sooner than I probably think. So, let's see, what else? Speaking of my video on Sunday, so the part with Leon in it. So that was a video that he sent me, oh man, at least 2 years ago, maybe 3. I forgot I had it. And then when I remembered, I had to find it. It was found in an email. And so obviously I couldn't ask his permission to use it. But there was another video that I wanted to use his picture, and he said he was fine with that. So I was going with, he probably would have approved me using his keyboard footage as well. But that got me thinking that maybe one of you or some of you watch that, and Kiki's providing sound effects here. That maybe some of you watched that and was kind of wanting to do that also. And so I was like, that would be awesome. So I'm putting it out here. If you have a dance move, if you have an instrument that you can pretend to play, or actual play, because I can mute sounds. If you have something that you think would be of value in one of my song videos, go ahead, send it to me, in any, I suppose in any way, email, messenger, whatever, and I'll find a song to plug it into, and then you can be a part of my videos. Wouldn't that be fun? I think it'd be fun. I think I would be so, I would be so thrilled. But, you know, of course that's up to you. So I'm just putting it out there, you know. So you watch my videos, you know kind of what, the kind of thing I would need. You want to hold a guitar and pretend to play, you want to, whatever. Make it look like you're playing a mean harmonica. Xylophone. There we go. I know of at least one song that I need a xylophone solo. How many of you can figure out what that song is? I don't remember the name of the song, but from the 70s. And well, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I have the other video to film, and I'm not sure. I was looking for one genre of music, and I ended up with this song, which really isn't that part of that genre. And I don't have very many good ideas with it, so I'm hoping it will be a decent video. I may have to rely on the gifts to pump it up a little, but we'll see. On that, yeah, I think that's it. So, yep, he's still there, and he's there, and he's there, and you got chirpy chirpies. So see you on the comments. See you all on Sunday, and yeah. So see ya. Bye.